A new field type – Action. QuintaDB service allows you to create and add custom actions to your database. Using Action field, you can perform complex tasks with less time spent. You can update several records, columns, or send email and SMS to selected addresses with just one click. For example, reset the race results by pressing one button. Or send your customers a payment reminder. Now, let's consider Action field in more detail. I'll take the Orders table, which contains following columns: positions, customer's name, phone number, email, orders total, order status, and payment. Open the form builder and add a new field, Action. You can find it in the Advanced tab. Let's call this field Accept Order. The field has been added to the form, but note that this field type is not displayed on the form widget. Now we need to open Field Editing page. Click on the field or use the context menu and select the Edit link. On this page you need to choose when and how to display action control and what to do on click. You can also enter a message about a successful action. Now let's take a close each of these items. When. You can specify the conditions when the control will appear. We will come back to it later in this video. How to display. Here you will see how the action control looks like in the table. Click on the Edit icon. The Design tab will open. Here you can change text alignment, horizontally and vertically, control type, link or button, button size and color. Button filling. The button will be online or fill the entire cell. Select an icon. Icon position, left or right. Also, you can get action name from the column. The column must be selected from the list. If you open the Advanced Options tab, you can hide the column's name. Thus, you can create a button with a unique design. Let's go back to the Field Editing page. Click on the plus icon under the What to Do item. You will be taken to the Add New Task page. Currently, there are 3 tasks types available: Update record, Send email, Send SMS. Let's start with Record Update. The idea is to change an order status and payment after click on the button. To do this, select the Status column and specify the value that will be set. Using the plus icon, you can add more columns. Thus, you can update several values at once. I'll set a new value to Payment column. Press on the Create button. Now let's check. Open the Records menu. Here's the Accept Order button. Click on it. As you can see, the status and payment columns were changed. Now I will add one more control, which will appear only under certain condition. Go to the Form Builder and add new action field. First, I need to create a new task, as I did before. The order status will be changed to Delivery. I will add one more after. The idea is to send a letter to customer after placing the order. You have the opportunity to choose a newsletter template or manually enter a template. You can find a video about the email and SMS newsletters on our channel. Enter the recipient addresses or select the field that contains the email address. Customize the letter template, subject and letters body. Specify the sender address and email address for the response. Similarly, you can configure the Send SMS task. Next, open the Action Field Editing page and click the Add Display Rule link. You can use several tasks at once. Create the following rule. When status processed, update record with new value. Status delivery and send email. Your order has been accepted. Don't forget to customize control design. Also, I will add this button to Actions control on the Records page. How it works you will see later. Optionally, you can enter a text message about the successfully completed action and enter the name. If everything is done correctly, new control will appear in the table near those records which have processed order status. Click on the Send Order button. The status will change, and letter will be sent to the customer's email. We can do the same with the first action. For example, I'll set the display rule only if the order status is new. As you remember, we've added our button to the Actions control earlier. Here how it works. Select the records and open the Actions menu. Find our Send Order control and click on it. This way you will perform actions for all selected records at the same time. Hopes this feature will be helpful to simplify your workflow and bring new positive experience. More information on QuintaDB.com.